Hey friend, Women's Powers. Okay guys, how's your chain? How's your top plate of your chain? Is it pretty sharp? Are you throwing good chips or are you just throwing sawdust? If not, if you want to get big sawdust, this is what I do. Do it just like this. Keep my file underneath the top plate like I'm doing. File down. Underneath the top plate like this. Alright. Going just like this. Okay. Oh yeah, we're getting a good C. You want to see the whole point behind this is get the file up underneath your top plate right here. Okay? Get a hook. Get your hook started. Take a little bit of going out down through here. And once you got your file up underneath your tooth, like this, straight back like this. Alright? Make sure you get the file to the top part of the top plate. Go along. And follow all this procedure. This is what gonna get you that big chips, friends. Alright. And yes, I go over my chains a few times. So I want a good sharp chain. Okay, it's almost a burr. Okay. Okay friends, look at this right here. Alright. Now see right in here, you want this. There's your top plate, your hook, and there's your C. Alright? We're not worried about this down here. Don't worry about that. Okay? And you go up top here like this. Okay. Hard to do is one hand. Just like this. All the way top. Alright. That's what you want to do. Okay. Keep your file to your tooth just like I'm doing right here, guys. Right here. See how this one's kind of messed up right here, guys? Check this out. Right there. See how that's kind of jagged right there? Alright, we want to get rid of that. Hard to do is one. Yeah, because this one's really whacked right here, friends. What I'm working on right now. And let me take a little bit more out here like this. Oh. Alright. But yeah, see, I'm just trying to stay in the groove right there, guys. See how my file is right now? You see that big gap in the back there? Okay, I gotta straighten this tooth out a little bit more. This is way out. I hit a rock the other day cutting a little bit of wood and I kind of messed it up. So I'm just kind of one-handing it, guys. While you guys see how this is going. Alright, now can you kind of starting to see how it's starting to straighten up a little bit more now? Take a little more gullet out. Want to try to sneak that top plate. Okay. Okay, now you can start to see it now. Starting to form now a little bit. I just want you guys to see what's going on here. Okay? Okay, friends, so therefore you guys can see what's going on here. I gotta use 2 hands here. But you guys get the idea what's going on here. All the way across. How my file's sitting in the top plate right now, the chain. This is why the 7/32 works better for this method, guys. It fits the chain better. It gives a lot sharper top plate. And most important of all, you can get some big chips. Alright, that's pretty good. Go down here. Borrow a little bit from this guy over here. Same principle. Basically, friends, when you most of these chains have little marks on the back of them, on the back of your tooth back on the top plate. Those are usually your guides to run the file across here. Not all chains have them. I wish they did, because that gives you the exact angle where to run the file to. So I've been doing this enough time. I know about where it's got to be. But anyway, yeah, you just keep the file level the top part of the tooth here, and that gives you that perfect angle that you need. Oh yeah, she's gonna cut good. Yep. Next. The reason why we do the rock of the boat action, guys, so we can get top and the back part of the top plate. Alright, that's pretty good. Here's the one I just did. Okay, look how straight that top plate is. Okay, look at that. Now, here's an older one right here. See that? See how that top plate, the hooks broke off right there, guys? See that right there? Alright, there's that one. That's before I hit with a file. And this one's what I just did. Look at that. Okay. You got your long point right there. You got a good straight edge over here for your top plate. And then over here. Look at that. I don't use them file guides. Nope. You won't get this type of sharpening when using file guides, friends. I go right at it sometimes with the gullet here. I want a sharp chain. Looking pretty good. Okay, guys. We'll catch you on the next side of the video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Bye now.